today I'm reviewing the Peach Slices Snail Rescue Intensive Serum. And really quick, I just want to say I purchase these products with my own money. I'll never waste your time with sponsors or videos. So if you want to help support the channel, check out nobsbeauty.com, check my Patreon community, or click on the link below. We've got Ike here and Lincoln, a 2-for-1, a 3-for-1. Anyway, Ike's been playing with this toy all morning, and he's really happy with it. So anyway, this morning I caught him sleeping with his head kind of on the toy. It was so cute. So anyway, okay, good boys. Okay, so, okay, you guys can leave now. You made your mandatory appearance. You'll get paid with snacks at the end of the taping. Good boys. Okay, so they say the Peach Slices Snail Rescue Intensive Serum is your fast... Lincoln just punched Cameron in the face. He tries to give people hugs, but he's not very good at them. Is your fast track to hydrated, clear, smooth, and even-toned skin with 95% snail mucin and pine bark extract. So I'm going to do a quick review. This is part of their set of products, their Snail line, which they've recently added to it. First it came out, I think, what, a couple of years ago, and they didn't add anything to it for a while, and then slowly over time they started adding to it. And then there's also a toner. All of these are wonderful with the exception of the cleanser. I didn't like the cleanser, but the mask, the deep moisture cream, the moisturizer, the toner, they're all wonderful. Just didn't love the cleanser, and cleanser's okay. It just has a little bit of fragrance in it, so I didn't love that, but everything else from the line is wonderful, so highly recommend checking them out. Okay. First criteria is packaging. Love the packaging. My only complaint is I wish it were larger. It's 1 ounce, but if it was like a 2-ounce bottle, it'd be awesome. Because I really love this stuff, so I've been going through it kind of fast. So this bottle ends up being kind of tiny, but overall it's a really nice way to package and dispense the snail mucin serum because it's kind of gooey. So love that. There's no denatured drying types of alcohol. There's no fragrance. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. The manufacturing location for this one is Korea, so no issues with that. So ease of use. So they recommend applying it to clean skin morning and evening, and then using your favorite moisturizer afterwards. Come on. It's getting very down to the bottom. Okay, hang on. There we go. There we go. So it's got a really nice serumy texture to it. It doesn't feel gooey. Like a lot of other Snail products feel kind of gooey, and people don't necessarily like that. I like it, but this one's got more of a watery serum texture to it. It applies over skin really nicely and easily. When my skin is on the dry side, which is often, I like to use in my morning routine because it's hydrating but not greasy feeling, and it works really nice under sunscreen. In my evening routine, I typically apply the Cosrx Snail Essence or Snail Cream. So then I don't necessarily need another Snail product in my evening routine, but for my morning routine, it's really wonderful. I'm using it today underneath my sunscreen. So really nice product, non-sticky finish, really works well under sunscreen and things like that. Sets to a slightly radiant finish that's non-sticky. So very easy to use. No issues at all with that. Okay, let's talk about the beneficial ingredients in this one. Okay, so I've got Snail Secretion Filtrate, Snail Mucin. It's an antioxidant, it's a hydrating ingredient. Snail mucin contains glycosamine, glycans, glycoprotein enzymes, hyaluronic acid, copper peptides, antimicrobial peptides, and trace elements of copper, zinc, and iron. So it can be used to treat, interestingly, they've done some studies, and it's really effective at treating radiation dermatitis, which it would be dryness and irritation from radiation. So it seems to be really effective for that. And otherwise, it's just really nicely hydrating and non-irritating. Then we've got hydrolyzed hyaluronic acid, and sodium hyaluronate are all humectants. We've got extract from the stem of the bamboo plant, which is really hydrating and has good skin conditioning properties. We've got Centella Asiatica extract, antioxidant, hydrating, protecting, anti-inflammatory, and wound healing. Amazing ingredient. Then we've got Centella Asiatica leaf extract, also soothing, antioxidant, and hydrating. Next up, we've got Centella Asiatica root, which is a soothing and hydrating ingredient. Then we've got Madecassic acid, which is a biologically active component from Centella Asiatica. It's thought to have skin regenerating, wound healing, and moisturizing properties. Then we've got Madecassoside, another biologically active compound from Centella Asiatica. Let's see, that one also has wound healing, skin soothing, antioxidant properties. Then we've got Asiatic acid, a skin conditioning, Centella Asiatica extract. Asiaticoside, another component from Centella Asiatica with wound healing antioxidant activities. Then finally we've got, let's see, what was the next one? Birch juice, which is a wonderful astringent ingredient. Then we've got Hydroxyacetophenone, which is an antioxidant preservative combination. And then finally, we've got Propanediol, which is an amazing antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, skin-protecting, anti-carcinogenic ingredient. Propanediol is great, so if you can use something with that in your morning routine, it really helps protect your skin. So, wonderful list of ingredients, a lot of humectants, a lot of Centella Asiatica antioxidants, and then obviously that Snail secretion, which is just wonderful for skin. In terms of animal testing, peach slices is cruelty-free. Obviously, not vegan because of the snail mucin in this. In terms of the performance, so I am just really impressed with this product. I really loved it. It's a great way to add some nice hydrating, antioxidant, soothing ingredients into your routine. Really wonderful to use in your morning routine. It will really work nicely under most sunscreens and protect your skin at the same time. That Propanediol is a wonderful daytime ingredient to use. Love the ingredients, no fragrance in it. Leaves my skin feeling soft, smooth, slightly plumped up. And the nice thing is for acne-prone skin, there's only one ingredient of note, and that is Carbomer, which is pretty low on the scale. So for most people, it won't be an issue. So the price, so this is the full size 1 ounce, 30 milliliters, going through it fast. Retails for about $18, makes it pretty affordable, although a little of this doesn't go a super long way. You need a little bit of a squeeze to cover your whole face and neck. So I'd love to see a 2 ounce size just because in the long run, it'll be less wasteful because I think this is something I'm going to repurchase. So I'd love to see maybe the 1 ounce size and a 2 ounce size. I don't know. Call me crazy, but not that I need more stuff, but it's really wonderful. And it says something because I test so many things out. And then when something stands out that I really love, it's really wonderful. It's a wonderful thing. So then in terms of the it factor, there's nothing to dislike about this product. I love it. Fragrance-free. It's a pretty darn affordable. Great ingredients. Easy to use. Cruelty-free. It just works so nicely and so hydrating. Great packaging. Highly recommend you guys check it out if you're not vegan, obviously. But anyway, the rest of this line is absolutely wonderful except for the cleanser. So they're all worth checking out and pretty affordable in the long run. And then they also came up with their redness relief line with azelaic acid, which I'm also really enjoying. So anyway, so this is highly worth checking out. I highly think most people will highly, highly, highly love it. Highly, can I say that again? Anyway, so I'm interested in from you guys. I know a few of you have left comments that you've tried it, and most of you said you're enjoying it. So anyway, leave a comment. Love hearing from you guys, and stay tuned for more tomorrow. Thank you so much. Bye, guys.